In the lush rainforests of Kenyir, life begins with a search. For the buff-rumped woodpecker, the first step to raising a family begins with one simple need: a tree, and the perfect cavity. Every tap is a test, echoing through the wood, revealing strength, softness, and possibility. The male and female examines old scars, probes soft bark, and considers forgotten chambers. Some are too exposed, some too fragile. Chip by chip, hour by hour, the tree yields to their determination. But choosing a nest site is not just about structure. Safety from predators, shelter from storms, and distance from danger all matter. Here in Kenyir's ancient forest, a quiet chapter almost begins, carved in wood, written by instinct. This is why the forest must remain. These trees do more than stand tall, they shelter generations. For woodpeckers, for wildlife, for all of us.